Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Kaberi, and today I'm going to unbox a parcel, and I'm so happy and so excited to receive the parcel because I was waiting for that parcel since so long. I mean, like from March 2021 I received it today itself, and today is August 5, and I left hope. Actually, I was just thinking, okay, maybe I will never receive that parcel, or maybe I'll not get it, because it was a limited like members that are going to get it. So I thought maybe I am not going to get it. But today, I don't know, I just got a call, and I was so happy to hear that I got that parcel. Let's come to the main point. Actually, it is a like a free gift from Isha Foundation, and it was during Shivratri, when it was shown in the app of Isha Foundation that Sadguru is going to, the Isha Foundation, the head of Isha Foundation is Sadguru, and the team was saying that a free Rudraksh will be provided to amount of member or something like that. I didn't remember exactly, but yeah, something like that. So when I got to know it, I immediately provided all my information. I never expected I'll get it, but I was like, okay, let's try. Like, if I will get one, I'll be like so thankful. So it was something like that. Okay, the process was like that, and I just gave all my information, and then I thought it will come. So it took 1 month, 2 months. I just left hope. Then I thought maybe I'm not the that limited members. I was not among that limited member, maybe, so maybe I'll not get it. But okay, like, I'm just speaking so much, I don't know why. So okay, let's not make this introduction a big one. Let's just unbox what I have received from Isha Foundation. I'm so glad, and I'm so thankful to them that they provided us with the most weighted thing, the most weighted Rudraksh, which is a very powerful seed. And yeah, if you want to know about Rudraksh, if you want to know how to wear and what to do with it, I'll be giving a link in the description below. You can check it out. So yes, without any further delay, let's go and unbox what I have received. So this is the pack. It's something like this, and it's a like paper package, and it's written Rudraksh Diksha. It's a Shiva steer of Ikastese Adi Yogi, the source of yoga. So it's something like this. It's packed something like this, and it's so it's so delicately packed, and I just liked it. It's very nice, and the address is written the back. So it's from Isha Utsav, and it's from Shivratri. So let's open it. So I just don't know what's inside. Wow, this is a picture of Adi Yogi, and just look, it's so beautiful. It's a picture of Adi Yogi, and okay, so this is, I think, instruction given how to wear and what to do. So it's something like this written here. So this is Vibhuti. It is applied on it's applied on the body, and there's ashes, and it's called Vibhuti, as you know. Okay, there's ashes. This is a small packet, but it's so beautiful, so beautiful. So the last thing that's here in the box is, okay, and this is the Rudraksh, most probably. Yeah, it is. So let's see how it is packed. Wow, look at the Rudraksh. It's so It's so beautiful, and it's so like it feels so original, you know, like, oh my god, this is such a beautiful gift. And this is like, it is called Avaya Shutra, and it is tied in the left hand of a woman, and it's to be worn for a minimum of 40 days. So this is to be, you know, tied in the left hand of a woman, and if it's a man, then it's the right hand. And this is the original thing, you know, like, this is the Rudraks that I was waiting for, and I'm so excited and so happy, like, oh my god, I just can't, I don't know, I don't know why, but I don't know, I'm just happy. I just found it so beautiful, and I can't explain. And it's just, all this thing are for free, and Isha Foundation has provided it in this way. I just can't imagine. I got attracted towards yoga practices, and I'm like, okay, after a lot of, you know, research and all, I got to know about lot of thing about them. And you too can search about Isha Foundation. It's available in YouTube, and it's available in Facebook also, and in Instagram too. So I'm so happy to receive all this item, and I'm so thankful to Isha Foundation and Sadguru that they provided me with all these 3 items, and I'm so thankful, and I'm so blessed to receive this. Thank you so much.